Namaste. Namaste. So yo, hello and kasakay. This is Dishang Timle and मैं स्वागत करता हूँ आपका इस नए कार्यक्रम में जिसका नाम है No One Asked Yet Gave a Fuck. जी हाँ, यहाँ पे हम एस्ट्रोलॉजी सीखने वाले हैं और एस्ट्रोलॉजी के बारे में सीखने वाले हैं, जैसे कि और तो इन्हें किसी ने पूछा भी नहीं, yet they give a fuck. Like
To maintain love and harmony in your relationships, take 5 almonds on a Sunday, that is badam, and wish with all your heart that whatever relationship problem you are going through goes away. And then donate these 5 almonds to a needy person.
Yo, hello and kasakay. This is Dishang Timle and welcome back to my channel. And today's topic is going to be very interesting because आज हम खुलासा करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे लोगों का कि वो लोग भविष्य को मान के चलते हैं and they think that pseudoscience is better than science and they give judgments anyhow they want and they be like, oh my god, that is so mean, it is so relatable, oh my god, I should get a tattoo on that. Astrology is not exactly astrology बहुत वास्ट टॉपिक है, बट ये सूडो साइंस जो है उसके बारे में, बट हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ज़ोडिएक साइंस और एस्ट्रोलॉजी के बारे में. सो एज पर गूगल एंड विकीपीडिया, ज़ोडिएक साइंस एंड एस्ट्रोलॉजी इज बेसिकली नथिंग बट सूडो साइंस which is based on planets and stars to decide and time and everything to decide your birth and then give you a specific zodiac sign and tell you your future and how your life is gonna be stable, but that is all nothing but इंडिया में एस्ट्रोलॉजी बहुत बड़ा चीज़ है. लाइक इंडिया में अगर पॉलिटिशियंस को भी देखा जाए या फिर कुछ भी देखा जाए तो मेनली एस्ट्रोलॉजी को कंसल्ट करके ही आगे का एक स्टेप लेते हैं. बेसिकली तुम लोग देख सकते हो कि लाइक चाहे वो रैफल लेने में हो या फिर एनीथिंग विच इज़ कंसर्न टू बी लाइक इंडियन, every decision is taken from like a proper ज्योतिष एंड उसका एस्ट्रोलॉजी का मार्गदर्शन लेके वो लोग आगे का स्टेप लेते हैं. अभी कोरोना की ही पकड़ लो. लाइक कोरोना के बारे में देर आर सो मेनी ऑफ दिस गाइज. लाइक लेट मी शो यू दिस. सो दिस गाइज आर लाइक दे वर टॉकिंग कि कोरोना कैसे जाएगा और क्या हो रहा है. सो इस कोरोना का ये है, कोरोना का वो है, कोरोना पे ये भारी है, ये वो प्लैनेट भारी है, दिन का ना फलाना एक्सेट्रा बुलशिट बुलक्रैप. एवरीथिंग वाज स्पिल्ड बट नथिंग वाज आउट ऑफ इट. कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ एंड दिस इज नॉट ओनली लिमिटेड इन इंडिया. ये फिरंग लोग तो बहुत दिस चढ़ा के रखे हैं. एंड इन लोगों को कैसे है मालूम है, कुछ भी हो गया, oh my god, that is so relatable and I like Libra, then Cancer, then Capricorn, then I'm Scorpio and shut up ma'am, shut up. We are not interested in your bullshit, bullcrap, nothing. Be a human yaar. Simply be a human. How are you acting? That is not gonna help. Everything is not related to your sun sign. अरे तुमच्यामुळे माझी बुडी होईल कुत्र्यांनो. ॲज लाईक टिकटॉक इज डेड अँड आफ्टर टिकटॉक बिंग डेड इंस्टाग्राम रील्स वॉज अप विथ लाइक दिस शिट लोड ऑफ 15 सेकेंड एंड 30 सेकेंड. एंड टुडे आज मेनली देखा वो फेसबुक ने भी वही किया. इफ मार्क जकरबर्ग को काम धंधा ही नहीं है, बोल रहे हैं ना इसको सिर्फ धंधा खाने का है, इसको सब लोग का धंधा खाने का और लाइक पैसे यार. That is my frustration, but वो frustration छोड़ दो. But Instagram reels पे आज like while scrolling I came across this video where she was like,
okay, so I don't really care about zodiac signs, but as soon as something goes wrong in my life, I blame it on being a Libra.
so बहन, दीदी, मैडम, मैम, please, relationship are like you can say तराजू जैसे होते हैं. It is important to be balanced. If you weigh it properly, it will be balanced. Otherwise, you are gonna fuck up very hard. And this is not me. This is like every damn person on this universe knows how relationship works. And you are like, I am a Libra, I am a Gemini, Hey ma'am, I can tell you one thing, your behavior is cancerous, so you are Cancer and nothing else. You are just being a Cancer. Be a woman and understand how relationship works, and tell your man to be a man, and tell him to balance the relationship equally. Don't blame Libra and Dra and Kra. Be what you are. Ma'am, you just came in, like you came first in the race of sperms because your mom dad were horny that day, and like they didn't slept early and had some fun. That's why you were born in this month, and you're blaming your relationship because of Libra. That is utter bullshit. Like, can you believe what you're saying? Content के नाम पे कुछ भी बना रहे हो. Dressing according to the sunset.
कपड़ा पहना तारू नन्हा की, कपड़ा पहना तारू नन्हा की, मन जाता सहना की, कपड़ा पहना तारू नन्हा की, मन जाता सहना.
If you're grown in an environment which is modern and people can understand your dressing sense, and you have a good culture on you, and your parents know how to dress, then but obviously you're gonna dress cool. And even if you're like, if you have good friends around you who advise you, who give you nice advices and tell you ki baba, like you should dress like this, you'll look good or you'll not look good, then they like promote you. It is nothing on your sun signs, yaar. You are just like, for what reason? For what reason you're bouncing on music? For no reason. You're just like promoting your brand on some sun signs. So basically how this works is like, it is like basic science. You take a group of 100 people and tell them ki like baba, you be general, very general. You tell them ki baba, this is gonna be like correct, like 100 out of 100 people, you like 40 people are gonna be relatable because they'll be like ki you like sweet. So like 40 people like, oh my god, how does he know that he likes sweet? And like, madam, it's generalization, it's general science ki baba, 40 people are gonna relate to it because there are a set of 100 people, and it is not compulsory that 40, but some amount of people are gonna relate, and you are just gonna be like, this is relatable, and this is so relatable that I am gonna think that thing is mine and I'm gonna work on it. ऐसा नहीं चलता, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं चलता. ये अगर चलता ना तो लाइक मेरा देश
बदल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है.
पक्का हो जाता. And our country is economy is going down instead of going up. यहाँ भी सन साइंस दो, कुछ दो, 100 लोगों को लेते हैं and एक जनरल स्टेटमेंट दे देते हैं कि your day is gonna go good, your day is gonna go bad, or your day is gonna go like this, and they don't know, they just post it on like newspaper or internet. Oh my god, internet जहाँ पे reels है, but then Facebook का आज आइटम वो short videos आया, then TikTok जैसे short videos का आते हैं. So यहाँ पे ये लोग अपना market बसा देते हैं, and then what they do is like they sell you, like yeah exactly, they sell you this mentality that you are gonna manifest it. So they are gonna state a sun sign, and like after stating a sun sign, they are just gonna say कि ये होने वाला है, and you focus on that thing. So basically क्या हो जाता है, you start manifesting by thinking कि ये सच में होने वाला है, and it happens because you are making it happen, you are acting it in that way. You're just like, it is utter bullshit if you like. I swear yaar, this guy is like sell businesses, this is like utter nonsense.
Je vois. Mets ton signe astro en commentaire et je te répondrai en prédisant ton avenir avec des emojis. Ouh là là, j'ai une vision,
Who is actually selling sanitizers in the name of sun signs. Can you believe me? Like, you are Cancer, yellow Cancer. You are Gemini. Feeding bullshit. you are emotional because you're Pisces. You're emotional because you were grown in that environment and you can feel people. It is not because some star came in your life and you were born on that moment or time. You are just like, it is basically your environment and your genetics, nothing else. So believing on facts, people are like doing anything. This French lady is selling like shameless, like utter shameless. Shameless, इतना shameless ना कि like ये टट्टी भी बेच सकते हैं और आप खरीदोगे because ये अच्छी दिखती है और इसका सनसाइन भी आपसे मैच करता है. ये भविष्य. So basically क्या होता है, when you feel relatable, you will be like, fucking take my money and give that ring, give that pendant, give that this, give that. It is just a business, guys. This is like, okay, I agree, there was an age where there were like real astrologers who would like sit for days and nights in the ancient India, but in today's age, astrology is nothing but a business. And it's growing business and people are just giving them. People are spreading cancer in the name of business. And we are taking it. कैसे चलेगा? I can't take it anymore, yaar. This is like just growing. Our India's former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, said कि as an art, I have nothing against it. Astrology just seeks acceptance in the name of science, and I completely reject it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy the video, do share, like, and if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. Otherwise, जो करना है वो करो, वरना ना करो. मैं तो एक कैंसर हूँ, मैं कैंसर ही स्प्रेड करूँगा. मेरा कंटेंट भी फालतू है, समझे क्या? So till then, peace.